For thousands of years, humanity looked up at the stars and saw boundaries. We built chemical rockets, broke through our atmosphere, and stepped onto the moon. But deep down, we knew the truth. The cosmic ocean was just too vast, and our lifespans were far too short. But our story does not end on Earth. Imagine a future where humanity completely rewrites the laws of propulsion. A future where we leave fossil fuels behind and master the fabric of spacetime itself. By harnessing the power of antimatter engines and folding space with theoretical Alcubierre warp drives, the cosmic speed limit of light becomes obsolete. We will no longer be confined to our solar system. The extreme distances between galaxies will fade away. Generation ships will turn into instantaneous quantum transits. Our descendants will navigate raging nebulae, orbit supermassive black holes, and colonize worlds millions of light years away. Every hidden corner of the infinite cosmos will become our backyard. We are not destined to just watch the universe from afar. We are destined to conquer it. Welcome to the Quantum Verse. Subscribe and expand your horizon.